Here's how you can lock the Instagram app on your Android device in two different ways. So first, if your Android phone has a default app lock feature from settings, so in that case just open up settings and now go to apps. From here, you have to find and tap on app lock. Next, set up a PIN, password or pattern, whichever you prefer. Once it's set, just select your Instagram from the app list. You just have to uncheck other apps you don't want to lock or leave unlocked. Now open up your Instagram and you'll be asked to enter your app lock what you are set at now, and once you enter it correctly, the app will open. But some Android phones like Samsung, Google Pixel don't have a built-in app lock. In that case, open the Play Store and search for app lock. And now from here, just choose any app lock that has a good reviews and a high rating, so then download it. Just open the app and set up a pattern, PIN or password, allow all the required permissions, and after setup, just select Instagram from the app list to lock it. Now whenever you open Instagram, you will need to enter your pattern or PIN to access it. And that's it. This is how you can easily lock your Instagram app on your any Android devices. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.